Number 1 food for increasing your libido and sex drive. Food has long been used to increase sexual desire, but did you know there are foods that can actually improve your performance? But you don't need to resort to any exotic foods from faraway lands. These common foods will all but ensure you a successful session. The primary cause of low libido and erection problems is an imbalance in your hormones. You want to increase your pro-sexual hormones such as testosterone and decrease your anti-sexual hormones such as estrogen, prolactin and cortisol. Eat more healthy cholesterol from free-range eggs including the yolks. Have some healthy saturated fats from raw coconut oil. However, for the fastest results and biggest improvements, eat more healthy fats and take specific pro-sexual herbs and vitamins. So, let's increase the good and decrease the bad. Eat fat. The best type of food that increases testosterone is fat, and more specifically, saturated fats and cholesterol. Everyone believes eating more fat may lead to bad cholesterol, but it's not true. Over 80% of the cholesterol found in your blood and arteries is not from foods you eat, but it produced from your liver. Cholesterol and saturated fats help produce most of your sex hormones, especially testosterone. Cholesterol helps lower your stress hormone, cortisol, which does the opposite of testosterone. In fact, experts believe without cholesterol, you would die eventually. And for those of you who are really concerned about having high cholesterol, the primary cause of high cholesterol is aging and the change in your hormones. This is why the older you get, the worse your cholesterol levels, and women who go through menopause start having high cholesterol. What to eat and how to eat. Heating oils, processed vegetable fats, hydrogenated and trans fats are the main problem. Instead of this, have healthy fats. Have free-range eggs along with yolk. The best ways to eat eggs are raw, but if you can't eat raw, at least keep the yolk runny and soft, which will increase your good HDL cholesterol. If you want to have some free-range grass-fed meat like bison, experts suggest that's fine too. Grass-fed red meat has higher levels of CLU fats, which boost testosterone, reduce cortisol, are anti-inflammatory and help reduce many forms of cancer. Other than that, you can stay away from most of other meats because they are processed and full of negative hormones such as estrogen, which will lower your testosterone and libido. By adopting all these, have some healthy saturated fats, and one of the best is raw extra virgin coconut oil. Not only raw coconut oil improve your testosterone and fat burning hormones, it also helps increase blood flow and circulation, both of which are important for your sex drive and erection.